Vincent Thierry. I am Associate Professor at IMT Lille Douai in the Materials and Structures Department. My research interests are about geomaterials and especially about cement. If you want to study cement and how it will age in the years, you have two ways. You can make some model cement in the laboratory, or you can study old cement. And this is the goal of the CASSIS project. CASSIS project deals with old cement synthesized in the north of France in the second half of the 19th century. Indeed, the north of France is the cradle of the cement industry in France. In 1846, in Boulogne-sur-Mer, the first cement plant has opened in France. Everything has begun at the end of the 18th century because all the scientists, chemists, geologists were interested about the Roman cements because they wanted to understand how Roman had made some buildings which were still standing after almost 20th century. All the scientific interest has led in 1817 to the inception of the cement as we know cement today by the chemist Louis Vicat. He has been the first to understand that to make a good cement you must have, of course, a high temperature of burning, but the correct mix of chemical elements, namely silicon, calcium, aluminium, and iron. 30 years after Louis Vicat, the first cement plant has opened in the north of France. Indeed, around Boulogne-sur-Mer, you have lots of different types of limestones which can be used to produce cement. And what is really interesting is that with the same limestone, you can produce different types of cements depending on the burning temperatures. So the CASSIS project has two sides. First one is the historical one. Second side is the laboratory one. On the first side, we will investigate old documents. We will sample on old buildings to see if we find some old cements from the second half of the 19th century. And to achieve this, every old document can be useful, such as, for example, old postcards, old advertising from the 19th century. It's important and very interesting to know that the Boulogne-sur-Mer cement has been very famous. They have been used, for example, in the sewage systems of Paris, in the Opéra Garnier, and also in the Suez Channel. So the project will investigate all the outreaches of those cements. So the ICIT grant will allow us to hire a PhD student and to carry out research in the laboratory. We will study those old cements, but also we will try to synthesize them in laboratory. We will go on site around Boulogne-sur-Mer. We will take the same limestones which were used more than 100 years ago, and in laboratory we will burn them according to old-fashioned way and try to synthesize those cements as they were made a long time ago.